students, I hope your preparation is going good. If not, don't worry. Sri Gurukula is here to help you. And I am Anmol Yadav. I will be your physics and mathematics mentor. I am an NEET graduate. So bring out your books. Let's make your preparation stress-free. So next question is, express the equation x into 2 plus x is equals to 3 in the standard form of a quadratic equation. So a standard form of a quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0, where all the term is on the left hand side and on the right hand side there is only 0. So let's try to convert this equation in the standard form. So we have x into 2 plus x is equals to 3. So let's open this. We'll get 2x plus x square is equals to 3. Now let's try to convert this into this form. So x square term first, then x term, that is 2x, then constant term which is on the left hand side. So currently this is on the right hand side. What we'll do, we'll take it on the left hand side and it will become minus 3 and is equals to 0. So this is our standard form of a quadratic equation. I will be back soon. Till then, keep practicing. This is Anmol Yadav from Sri Gurukula signing off.